हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम एंड वेलकम बैक अवर चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि हाउ टू बिकम अ फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश। सो nowadays English is very important to be to communicate with our native speakers and to communicate with other countries people. So let's if you don't hit the bell icon, or if you don't like and share and subscribe, please go to like and share and subscribe to our channel. And not delay to, so let's move forward to our video. So let's talking about the way how to become a be fluent. There are lots of videos on YouTube and it's honestly say, but nobody's telling you the this reason. So you don't need lots of a fancy words or a vocabulary. Just you need like a habits or a basics you have to take, and just know and understand 95% of English. And I think that you have to learn up to 5,000 words and you can be communicate fluent in English. So so, what is the best way to learn English or to communicate in English? Most people are trying to learn with online tutors or offline tutors and memorizing vocabs. Let's and sitting in classrooms for hours and hours. These methods are little slow and boring also. Sometimes it's expensive if you are taking online or offline classes. It's sometimes expensive also. So what the solutions for this and how we can be fluent in English? The main question is that. And here is the simple answer is a couple, and it's very easy. Comprehensible input as the key driver of any language. Obtaining require language in only one way. When we understand it's most people call that a comprehensible input. But what is the comprehensible input? Let me show you and let me show you an example to understand with easy methods. So so this is behind me. This is a tally, and we call it this is a tally, and behind me is a tally. So there are some examples I put in the description, so you can go and check out. So there are few examples, just like let's go out and let's come in and go to the market, bring some vegetables, bring some foods. Example is a comprehensible input. So there are lots of native speakers or a trainer who told you that the comprehensible input is the most effective way to learn any language, not in English, but any language is the one way to understand easy and to learn English to be fluent in English. Just I told you an example. Let's go out. It is a very understandable language and it is very understand. You can understand if you are aware about English. So I'm not saying if you are at an advanced level, but if you are a beginner, so you can easily understand. But while every word that I state to you, your brain is already learning through the visual context and repetition. So the second thing is the repetition is important. If you read aloud and read again and again, so the word and the vocabulary, so remark on your brain, so that will also help you. Also gives and also you can you could probably guess what I was talking about based on my actions. Right, like comprehensible input means if you are something performing an action, so just like showing this is me or that is my friend, so this kind of a things, it's like little it's very easy comprehensible input. So comprehensible input is learning method is better than any other method because you will learn vocab, pronunciations, listening, comprehensive skills, grammar and sentence and structure making. By far, the most important how to structure, how to start thinking in English. So the most important thing is how to start in thinking in English. All about without a boring lessons and textbooks. So that is why I decided to. Uh, that's why I decided to. I will teach you some. I will teach you in some any other classes how to you learn these kinds of things. So please comment on the comment box below. Designed to be an interesting as a possible to as you to teach you English with comprehensible input in a fun way, so that it doesn't feel like a work. It doesn't feel like if you are studying, because I want you to stick around until you reach your goal of being fluent in English. Whether you are beginner, intermediate or advanced, this video will help you to be fluent in English. So just learn this naturally instead of doing lessons in a classroom. Second step is reinforce reinforce this learning. You must have had in your video. You could be the reinforce this learning you just had in this video. In the video, reinforce. The second step is reinforce this learning you just had in the video. You could use the chat GPT reinforce what you learned in this video. So it gives you the definitions for the words again. It gives you example for the past, present and the future. It also gives you many quizzes to ensure you understand everything about the word. And finally, it's very customizable. Don't forget, first thing is a comprehensible input, second is a reinforce, and third thing is a repetition. So these things that help you to be fluent in English. I must say these three steps are very useful to be fluent. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so never miss any updated videos up to you. Thank you for watching it.